Hey fam, I've got a massive surprise for you. Today, I'm giving my subscribers free access to CapCut Pro. Yes, all the premium tools, completely legal and totally free. No hacks, no modded APKs, no shady tricks. But to get it, you must watch this video till the end because I'll tell you every single step and show you how to use all the premium tools completely free. So don't skip and let's get started. Hello, I'm Maryam and welcome back to my channel, Live and Learn with Maryam. I have the latest updated version of CapCut, version 7.1.0. If you edit videos, make shorts, or want professional grade effects without paying, this video is for you. Here's one of my videos I was working on, and see, it can be exported without joining the Pro version because of course, I've used so many Pro features here. But that's not why you're here. Stick around, worry less. Because other than showing how to use premium tools for free, I'll also tell you how to export your video with up to 4K quality that will instantly make your edits look professional. Since you're ready and excited, let's jump into the video. Before we start, make sure you've done these two things. First, update your CapCut app to the latest version 7.1.0, and second, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Installing and updating CapCut is already shared with you all in the very first part of our professional video editing series. Playlist link is in the description. So, let's head towards our edits. Once you've completed your edit and used the premium transitions, effects and all, you need to select all the objects on the timeline, right-click and select Create Compound Clip. Next step is to pre-process the compound clip. Once this is done, it's done. Just for confirmation, check the file path of the draft being saved on your PC. It's actually same for everyone. Now directly navigate to this folder. Here, open the folder named as the project you're working on. Go to Resources, then Combination, and here you have your that compound clip with all the Pro features applied. And you can use it right away. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The bonus tip is that you can use this clip again as a new project and export it with any resolution and FPS you want. Now let's make another edit from scratch. This will show a clearer image to you. In this new edit, we'll use CapCut's built-in library and use a few Pro items, the ones marked with diamond. We'll also use the auto background removal feature, which is part of CapCut Pro. Along with that, I'll add smooth animations and stickers, especially those marked with diamond. Next, I'm adding a raw voiceover clip and we'll apply the audio enhance and noise reduction tools to make it sound professional.
Their detailed star charts and astronomical findings became the foundation for later European
One Pro sound effect also.
became the foundation for later.
And now, when we try to export this project, CapCut will ask us to sign in for the Pro access. So, let's apply our trick again. Select all the clips, create compound clip, pre-process it, and done. Now do you remember where this compound clip is? Great, we'll navigate to that folder and we can again use this clip as a new project and export with any quality and resolution. Don't forget to try this trick and let me know if this worked for you or not. Comment below which Pro feature you'll try first. In the next part, we're moving beyond the basics. This time, we'll level up our keyframe skills like a real pro. It's gonna be next level stuff, so stay tuned. See you there.